Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people. Any which part of the world you know there. Tonight, me is very upset. Let me tell you no something, me is very upset. Me never expect to be so upset at the start of 2023. But me is talking specifically to me people them in a Toronto too. Where I fly to Kingston, Jamaica. Me know say no upset. Uno upset over the baggage fees where Air Canada just announced if you travel from Toronto to Kingston, Jamaica. His first bag at $30. His second bag at $200. And the third bag is $500. No Air Canada. Uno can't do that. Me say uno cannot do that. When if me did I travel to Delhi or wherever I name, his first check bag free, his second one $100 and the third one at $225. So you are gonna tell me say now how I'm come up with this for Jamaicans? To me that sound like a personal vendetta against Jamaicans, and it is very discriminatory and unequitable. No Air Canada, you have to do something. And you see the excuse we wanna come up with? No, we not buy. Me say we not buy. We not buy no puss in a bag. And that me I tell you say Air Canada. Una can talk about the airplanes them will fly to Kingston is significantly smaller and there is less cargo space, and because of that sometimes people baggage left behind. People baggage always are left behind whether or not uno in a big aircraft or small aircraft. You hear what I'm saying? And because the bag left behind, people all is getting upset. Then let me read something to no my people. Let me read something to no. Me no want to tell no lie upon them. Hear what they say, yes so. The additional bag fee is to promote a fairer distribution of available baggage capacity and to encourage customers to pack more conservatively. Me I tap you right there so. So what them I tell we say we feel pack, we feel watch what we are packing and try to pack a little bit of things when we're going home to visit with family. Some we where we haven't seen family in all 2, 3 years, 4 years because of COVID. Let me tell you something. Air Canada, me say we not take it. Uno better go look over uno something and have an announcement ready for the Jamaicans. Them say uno is drawing back on that foolishness what uno propose. You say if uno not do it, I urge all of us Jamaicans to boycott Air Canada. If you have to fly to Kingston, Jamaica, start researching and choose another airline. Mama Selva. No. My people, drop a line below and tell me what you think. Because I know say someone over there who mad just like me with that the foolishness we hear Canada chat about.